Hello, my name is Jasmine Martinez, and today I'll be talking about the synapse. A synapse is where neurons communicate with other cells. A synapse is also called a neuron junction. And here's a picture of what the synapse is, which we'll be discussing in the following slides in more detail. So, as I had said, a synapse is a way of communication. So, think about it as us communicating through text messages. We always have a sender and a receiver. The same thing happens here. So, the presynaptic neuron will be the sender, and the postsynaptic neuron will be the receiver. The synaptic transmission is the mechanism that makes an impulse go from the presynaptic neuron to the postsynaptic neuron, which is the receiver. Also, the postsynaptic neuron can also be a muscle or a glandular cell. So let's discuss more about this process that goes on. So the impulse travels from the axon of the presynaptic neuron to the axon terminal, where we have what is called the synaptic knobs. Here, when the impulse gets to the knobs, this opens a calcium channels in which the cells receives even more calcium. So when we have this increase in calcium, so here you can see a better picture of what goes on. So here are the axon terminals in the synapse, which occurs right here. This is the presynaptic cell, which is the sender, and the receiver, the postsynaptic cell. And here's a better picture of what really goes on in the synapse. So as I was saying, when there's an increase in calcium, it triggers the synaptic vesicles to release neurotransmitter by exotosis. Once the neurotransmitters have left the presynaptic cell neuron, they will connect with receptors in the postsynaptic cell. Here you can see when they left, they will go to the receptors of the postsynaptic cells. This will cause to turn on or turn off a process. This depends on the amount of excitatory or inhibitory inputs. And that's how the synapse process works. Thank you. This is what my works cited. Thank you.